Good evening, good afternoon, and welcome to the RAW podcast. And this is the second take. And we're talking about something that does not really concern us, but and also really concern us sometimes. ESPN has made a deal with WWE of $1.3 billion, जहाँ पर Americans now have to pay $30
$30 only to watch PLEs.
to watch PLEs. Okay. Now internationally, हम लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं. We live in India, so we only have to pay at max, at minimum, $149 per month. If you have a Netflix mobile plan.
Correct.
So, by the way, for all, we don't really have an American audience, but VPN is now the most valuable thing on earth. If you're following the UK case, you would also know why. But my question to you is, do you think Netflix products are going to be expensive for us as well? आगे moving forward? Because
No.
Americans को लोग इतना लूट रहे हैं guys, ठीक है? I am getting थोड़ा scared here, ठीक है? As an international audience, my question in this podcast is, do you think it is going to be more and more expensive to watch WWE from now on?
No, because the thing is, obviously, Americans को they have put a stake कि तुमको $30 पे करना पड़ेगा तब जाके तुम PLEs देख पाओगे. So I don't think so if they'll be having a different interface for मतलब PLEs या फिर बाकी other shows consume करने के लिए उनको एक अलग price pay करना पड़ेगा. I am not aware about that, but मैंने यही सुना है कि PLEs को अभी देखने के लिए they have to pay $30, which is like 2,500 in Indian rupees. Do you ever think WWE would take such a drastic step internationally कि वो लोग मतलब अगर इंडिया की बात करूं, will they take such step कि वो लोग 2,500 चार्ज करेंगे लोगों से?
देख मेरे को क्या लगता है
Because पहले ही वो लोग ने एक ऐसा डिसीजन किया था कि सोनी नेटवर्क से they shifted to Netflix, which was a big decision in itself.
happy decision.
Exactly.
I am so happy.
decision.
Fuck Sony Live.
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck Sony Live.
Exactly. But do you think कि अगर वो लोग कर भी दिए 2,500 का, अगर if they are charging us, do you think कि मार्केट वैसा ही रहेगा, व्यूअर मार्केट?
No, that's
Obviously not.
exactly. इंडिया में पहली बात तो 2,000 WWE के तो कोई नहीं भरने वाला.
2,500 is a big amount in India.
हाँ, the thing is now, the reason I'm asking this question as an international viewer is because pay-per-views are a system since that has been going on since literally, like you have been paying a lot as an American audience. तुमको CDs खरीदने पड़ते थे.
CDs, yes.
You have to buy a lot of digital copies as well now at that point. And now everything is a premium live event. For us, we had to buy like Sony Live Premium to get access to the PLEs, right? But now everything is all encompassing in Netflix. So it is actually such a brilliant deal for international audience. We get Raw, we get SmackDown, we get NXT and all the PLEs. We don't have to pay anything extra.
Yeah.
But Americans have to pay for ABC for SmackDown, Netflix for Raw and all the other PLEs. No, and Netflix for Raw. And then for Peacock, they have to go to PLEs.
Yeah.
So you have three multiple systems to watch that. Now the thing is, they are going to profit a lot out of American crowds, obviously.
Americans are rich.
I mean, it's a very good economy, and since we're a failing economy, Trump, fuck you. But here's the thing, right? I feel the TKO could be greedy enough to be like, hey, if Americans are willing to pay for it, I'm pretty sure the international audience will also pay for PLEs, right? I'm not saying 2,500.
Yeah.
But if you had to pay, let's say, 500 rupees every PLE, would you?
500 रुपए से will WWE क्या बोलते हैं, make a difference?
Yeah.
Will their market, will their economy make a difference? I don't think so.
Yeah, okay, we're talking, okay, let's say I am paying, let's say 500 for every month, right? Now imagine you're having 2 PLEs a month. At this point, that's the rate they're going in.
Yeah.
Every month they have like 2 PLEs.
Yeah.
That is 1,500 from one person. And let's say India में 1 million, मतलब 1 लाख लोग देख रहे हैं. You're asking not double, basically triple the amount. Triple the amount from 1 million people. That is insane profits for that company.
Insane profits.
And
But people in India, it takes a lot of time for the people to adapt to something new.
Price sensitivity is a real market.
And if the subject is WWE, people will actually be like, नहीं देखना है भाई मेरे को WWE.
Exactly.
500 रुपए देके मैं क्यों देखूं WWE?
Oh man.
So there is a change of mindset in the Americans and the Indians, because they are willing. Americans are damn rich. They pay a huge
Insane
amount
amount.
for such PD things.
I mean, New York में they get $20 pizza. मतलब $20 is what? How many हमारे लिए 1000 is
Now
sorry $10 is 7,000 right?
1600 rupees.
16 नहीं one okay let's do economics right here ठीक है?
Yes.
Let's say a dollar is 90.
90. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so $10 will be
1800.
okay. So
Sorry,
$10
20 बोला था ना तूने?
हाँ तो $20 1800.
1800.
No, I think the math is wrong here. एक मिनट. $100 will be 10,000 right? हाँ $100 is 10,000.
Yeah.
I'm confused here.
Well,
We'll cut this part out.
Cut this. Okay.
We are very bad at math. That's why we were marketing students.
Correct.
Damn, this is embarrassing. But ठीक है. The thing is that Americans do have the economy to support that stuff. India does not have the economy to support 500 rupees per PLE as well. So I think price sensitivity is a real issue. But so I am very, very deeply suspicious that international crowds will also have to pay a premium amount going forward. What's stopping them? That's my question. Like, what's stopping them from charging us 500 rupees more? If we are willing to, let's say now Brock Lesnar's come back. He's a star. Okay. Let's say another celebrity comes by. Let's say if they're bringing in so much celebrities, let's say Chris Hemsworth shows up.
Okay.
I'm
Which
just
is never gonna happen.
Okay, let's just say it happens. Okay, let's say Chris Hemsworth is showing up in Money in the Bank or SummerSlam or whatever. You're gonna pay that 500 rupees. Marvel fans, India ke Marvel fans.
Marvel fans would do anything.
Anything, they will pay 500. I think if you give them a good enough incentives, there are Indians who would buy it, but not the majority of it. I'm actually curious to know what are the other countries thinking about it. For example, UK also has the same thing. Canada also has the same thing where Netflix can give them everything.
Yeah.
But if they start charging for more and PLEs in these markets, I genuinely feel they're going to lose a lot of audience. I feel they've already lost a lot of American
They're gonna lose a lot of audience worldwide.
Yeah,
It is not the thing is not about one country or two countries. It's about a lot of countries.
exactly. But like,
And imagine losing your core audience from each and every country where WWE makes the most business.
exactly. The thing is that WWE was popular, or the shows themselves were popular because they were a cheaper alternative. Basketball games वहाँ पर बहुत expensive होते हैं.
Correct.
Football games वहाँ पर बहुत expensive होते हैं. All the popular American sports are too expensive, and WWE was on the cheaper side of entertainment. And now they are trying to level up like their Formula One. हर जगह branding
Bro,
चल रही है.
चल तो UK US छोड़ दे. Think about Saudi Arabia.
Oh man. The thing is, yeah, so the Saudi money, man, they are flooded with money, dude.
They are.
And it's like, I think the Saudi is the only crowd that will pay that.
Yeah,
extra
exactly.
500.
And WWE will be benefited the most by Saudi Arabia if they take such decision. But no, it's actually a क्या बोलते हैं stupid decision कि आप बाकी countries में पैसे बढ़ा रहे हो and you are willing to lose your core audience from each and every country, which is, if I would be in that place, I would obviously not afford to do this.
Yeah.
Because मैं क्यों अपना मैंने अपना एक फाउंडेशन क्रिएट किया है हर एक कंट्री में, मैंने इतने साल से बिल्ड किया है अपने कंपनी को हर एक कंट्री में, where kids love to see John Cena, where kids are crazy about John Cena. Obviously, in most of the countries, kids are crazy about John Cena. मैं क्यों उस बच्चे को देखने से रोकूं?
Exactly. Like,
By increasing the price.
exactly. I think if kids are, the thing is, Disney is also a facilitator of this deal as well. The thing is, I don't think Disney is a kid-friendly entertainment business at all at this point. They have their own agendas. They act like a political party at this point. And we are talking this as an international audience, by the way. Okay? You're absolutely correct. If you jack up the prices so much, it's not that the kids have that much power in Indian societies.
या फिर उनके घर वाले भी पैसे नहीं देंगे.
Exactly. Like, it doesn't work that way. अगर इंडिया में you raise the prices, लेकिन ये बहुत महंगा है, कुछ नया शौक ढूंढ लेगा.
बस.
It is
या
going to happen.
तो 2-3 मार पड़ेगी और बच्चा शांत हो जाएगा.
Exactly. Like,
Bas.
you will lose that audience because the person who is paying for that, if they don't find value in that deal, it's like, for example, अगर हम पिक्चर देखने जा रहे हैं and it's a picture which is like Oppenheimer हो गया, उसके लिए 1000 रुपए देना makes sense. Like, you're gonna watch it once is fine. But if there is an Oppenheimer coming every 2 weeks, you're not gonna pay that much amount. First of all, I will not pay that.
Correct.
Especially when there is an alternative in AEW. Discovery Plus का subscription लेके
you think मतलब 18,000 रुपए, 18,000, 18 नहीं 18,000 मंथली, अगर मैं 500 पकड़ के चलूं तो 12 मंथ्स के लिए 18,000.
12 months के लिए 18,000.
18,000.
18,000 rupees. Okay, we have to get this math right, by the way. As an editor, I will put it here. ये section में डालूंगा if you are right or wrong. ठीक है, हमारा math is horribly bad. We need an accountant. But yeah, 18,000 rupees yearly is insane fucking ask.
प्लस उसके अलावा पीपल जिनके घर पे अलग OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी हैं, विल दे एक्चुअली पे सच अमाउंट? मतलब मैं पकड़ के चल रहा हूँ कुछ 25,000 इज गोइंग क्या बोलते हैं ईयरली इन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स ओनली, इन्वेस्टिंग इन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म. विल दे पे? विल दे बी ओके विद दिस?
Man, वो exactly. For
मैं घर पे बोलूंगा ना मेरे को साल का 25,000 चाहिए टीवी देखने के लिए,
that's a whole month
से निकाल देंगे भाई.
वो मेरी एक महीने की सैलरी 25
भाई.
My God. Like, yeah, it is insane. The thing is, I pay for Jio Hotstar, I pay for Netflix, and that's it, right?
I pay for Jio Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video. Yeah, that's all. And Sony Live.
Yeah, but in that sphere of like purchasing stuff, and also the reason we are talking about this also, so in money wise, because obviously WWE sponsors के बारे में ही रहता है. The pricing model for WWE has not become audience, it has become sponsors. So that is my question. How are you having streaming deals? तुम वहां से भी पैसे ले रहे हो.
Yeah.
तुम लोग WWE का merchandise, WWE का belt is now $400, which is
45,000 rupees, Indian rupees.
Like हम लोग नहीं afford कर सकते. We cannot afford a cummerbund. A cummerbund is basically what a belt should be called in proper English. I'm a Brooklyn Nine-Nine fan if you didn't know. ठीक है? It's insane. एक t-shirt खरीदने के लिए भाई $20. We cannot afford that. Already you are not making money. Like obviously you're making money off of merchandise, but internationally you're not able to do that. And you're gonna charge extra amounts of money to basically an audience who wants a cheap entertainment. Like I think WWE forget कर रहा है कि you are technically cheap entertainment. You're not premium entertainment. You're not even.
WWE was not even known for premium level of entertainment.
Exactly. It was not. Like,
it was that one entertainment show which was mostly feasible for everyone.
Exactly. It was affordable entertainment.
Exactly.
And I understand WWE not trying to be कि हाँ हम cheap नहीं है, हम भी वही level के entertainment है.
I get
which I agree. Which I agree.
Get the point. तुम लोग अपना business में बहुत तगड़ा कर रहे हो, बहुत मचा रहे हो. You are doing a great business with great people in your company, but no. This is not the way how you earn money.
No, I don't think we can say how to earn money or not, but I think you're losing the essence. The thing is, WWE and TKO with their business practices of the thing is Slim Jim tables, I'm okay with. Fireball ladders, I'm okay with.
Yeah.
Like, we're okay with that. Like that kind of sponsorship we can understand as long as it's not hampering content.
बड़े events like WrestleMania में पूरा ring ही sponsor से भर देना.
That is okay.
We have accepted that.
We've accepted that. The thing is, if every time I'm watching a PLE and match 7-8 minute का हो रहा है, but ad is of 20 minutes, that's not good. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, if you're putting all these sponsors in the ring, in the mat, in the turnbuckle, in the tables, wrestlers के ऊपर भी डाल दो भाई, मेरे को क्या मालूम. Don't give us that many ads as well. Then you're saying that's a bigger yay in the face, because I'm essentially paying you extra to watch more ads.
Exactly.
It's not like you jacking up the prices for the American crowds. They are not getting ads. They're still getting ads. We are also still getting. The thing is, we can have that trade because we are not paying as much. Okay. But what if we had to pay as much and still we have to watch ads?
Just one question I'd like to ask you कि the next 5 years, let's say 2030 में, how are you seeing WWE as a business, not as an entertainment?
I think it's
all over the world.
I think it's gonna be more and more like a reality TV show more than a sports entertainment.
Yeah, correct.
I'm not kidding. I think it's gonna turn into that well because they are so much focused on the WWE unreal
and
bar.
I can see this happening कि मतलब if in the next 5 years अगर WWE ऐसा ही चलता रहा, if they charge each and everything मतलब for the people are just gonna simply switch to AEW.
Man, I'm thinking about it as well because it's not expensive.
Because it's not expensive, but the content is still good.
Yeah, I do watch AW. I recently started watching AW after the All In storyline,
Yeah.
after the Death Riders versus the Hangman page, and it is genuinely very good. And we would also make AW content, but the problem is that not many people watch it,
Not
so we
many
don't know how much views can we get. But I would like to talk about AW as well. So please, as viewers, do let us know. And
There's one more thing going on in the company. अभी तूने ही मेरे को बताया था थोड़ी देर पहले कि there's a plan to make all the PLEs जो the PLEs which are the main PLEs like Royal Rumble, Elimination Chamber, WrestleMania तो है ही, SummerSlam भी अभी आ गया है, Money in the Bank, they are planning it a 2-night event every time.
man, again, I don't think
Is
it's a
this
good idea.
for real?
It's real. Yeah, it's gonna happen. It is going to happen. I think that's why they're jacking up the prices for like all that PLE stuff. And like, again, but that's my thing. Do you think 2 nights for Money in the Bank is necessary?
No. WrestleMania के लिए भी necessary नहीं था.
No, I think WrestleMania के लिए necessary है because there's like you have to fit in a lot of people.
No, because till 2019, 2020 से ही जो WrestleMania था, it was a 2-nighter show. 2019 में the last WrestleMania, which was a 1-night event, it was still good. Obviously, according to the business के point of view से, it did not earn that much. But we as WWE fans are actually used to 1-nighter WrestleMania.
But I think like 2 nights WrestleMania.
Now, okay, I'm okay with 2-night WrestleMania because obviously हर शो मतलब एक नाइट पे 6 मैच मतलब 12 मैच 12 matches you are showing in 2 nights, which is really good, and you are featuring all the main stars in the show, which is actually good, which is a good business plan for the audience, for you as well as a company. But Royal Rumble, I would not like Royal Rumble to be a 2-nighter show because क्या अगर 2-nighter हो भी गया तो क्या ही हो गया उसमें?
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, Royal Rumble being a 2-nighter show, it does kind of lose the essence of it a lot, right? Like, I think having 2 Royal Rumbles in one event is crazy. It is fun.
Yeah.
It actually gives meaning to the Royal Rumble. A lot of people on the internet is like, yeah, Royal Rumble 2 nights makes sense because you have the women's and the
Royal
men's.
Rumble is that time when the excitement of watching the episodes increases.
Yeah, the thing is that was the fun part about the Women's Royal Rumble because in that one event, we're having 2 separate occasions where we're having returns, we're having crazy spots. And now splitting it for 2 events it actually does ruin the fun for me. I don't know. It does not. It's like, oh, so now I have to wait another night.
भाई,
Or I have to
but
wait
फिर भी
another.
अगर-
It'll be 2 different PLEs.
चल ये भी मान लिया. Elimination Chamber को 2 नाइट का रख के क्या करने वाले हो तुम लोग?
Again, yeah, it will be 2 different events. The fact that we get 2 in one event is actually fun.
Unless and until you are pulling up a moment like John Cena turning heel.
But you can't have that 2 nights in a row.
Obviously
Then
not.
it's not special. Then it's not special. Okay, maybe that's the very Indian mentality कि मेरे को एक show में बहुत मिल रहा है करके. But I don't know. Like, okay, SummerSlam being 2 nights also did not make sense to me at one point. It was like, but watching this
But
night thing, I think,
SummerSlam is actually next to WrestleMania.
Yeah.
It is the second biggest event of the company.
I think it still makes sense. I
It
think
still
watching
makes
this-
sense. SummerSlam and WrestleMania still makes sense.
Yeah, but man, Money in the Bank being 2 nights, it ruins the fun for me. Because then, okay, the thing with stipulation PLEs is that we need more of it. The fact that, okay, let's say a lot of people used to hate 2010s mein stipulation PLE like TLC, Hell in a Cell. The fact that they were pay-per-views were
They were
insane.
still good.
They were still good, but you know why? Hell in a Cell was one of my favorites because
Yeah.
you would get a Hell in a Cell match in every damn match. That was fun. I think Money in the Bank having like in that one event you get 2 ladder matches. That is crazy.
TLC में हर match was stipulated to the TLC match.
Yeah, either it was a chairs match or a tables match or a ladders or a complete TLC match. It was fun. I think splitting it in 2 events just makes it more. I don't know if it gives us
I
more.
would rather prefer to watch Hell in a Cell pay-per-view again. क्या बोलते हैं? TLC PLE again, which was happened a long time ago.
It's been a while since I've had stipulation pay-per-views. But I think I would want Hell in a Cell back.
Yeah.
But to be fair, I'm scared they'll make that 2 nights as well.
No, bhai.
You're just ruining. Okay,
Simply
oversaturated.
in this company there are specific PLEs जिसको आप 2 night देख ही नहीं सकते.
Exactly.
जिसमें
think,
रॉयल रंबल आ जाता है, एलिमिनेशन चेम्बर आ जाता है, मनी इन द बैंक आ जाता है.
Yeah, I know this is a hot take, but I don't want to see 2 nights.
We
of all.
get it कि these 5 shows are your biggest shows of the year, but still it shouldn't be a two-nighter. Not every show should be a two-nighter.
Yeah, because it simply oversaturates the
तो फिर
content.
तो ऐसा भी बोल देंगे कि क्राउन जॉल अगर सऊदी या फिर मतलब सऊदी में हो रहा है तो वो भी टू-नाइटर हो जाएगा.
Exactly, because it's a Saudi show. Man, I think the point we're trying to make is that it's gonna oversaturate the moments. WWE has become about, it's like बोलते ना, अरे भाई ये viral moment करना है,
Yeah.
you have to do this viral moment, that viral moment. But the thing is, you can't have it in 2 nights because then everybody's like, oh, we had one here, one now. So it being one special day makes all the difference.
Exactly.
Having 2 Royal Rumbles in one night makes a difference. But in you do it to 2 different days, now it's not special anymore.
It's not.
It's not special for the men or the women.
Yeah.
You're just ruining and oversaturating the content. I'm sorry, but 2-night PLEs is not special. It's not.
And for us as
It's not
Indians,
premium.
it is not special at all for the one main reason, which is सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा.
Oh man. Actually though, to be fair, we don't watch Raw and SmackDown live every day.
Live every time,
Yeah,
but beat WrestleMania, we watch it live. Beat SummerSlam, we watch it live. But not every show.
Yeah.
We are humans.
Yeah, exactly. The thing is कि I guess maybe night 1 we can watch early.
और
Saturday को होता है.
या तो ये हमारा ही बैड लक है कि हम लोग इंडिया में हैं और इंडिया का टाइम जोन इज फार मोर
Look at other Europeans also, they have to stay up late and everything. Like the great one, he's one of my favorite wrestling YouTube channels. He stood up till 4 both nights of WrestleMania, and then he had to make a YouTube video right after. So people
It is
do
a
it.
difficult thing.
But yeah, PLE, okay, yeah. I think Santis have made a great point.
So, yeah.
That as a content creator, it's good for you because you're getting more and more content to cover.
Correct.
But I think we are consumers first and content creators second. So I think as a consumer, do I want to miss the prestige of it happening in one night? No,
No,
I
not at all.
don't. I completely agree with you when you say कि Royal Rumble, Elimination Chamber, Money in the Bank should be one night.
Correct.
Because just having more matches in one night is fun. Like, I mean, to be fair, you were talking about having 12 matches in 2 separate nights. AEW के shows में they have like 15 matches in one night and they do it well. Like, it is possible. You can do it. technically.
WWE also used to do it very well जब उनका WrestleMania एक नाइट का होता था. The last WrestleMania with one night was WrestleMania 35.
Oh shit, sorry. Yeah.
So yeah, so WrestleMania 35 was the last one night WrestleMania जिसमें मजा आया था. जिसमें there were 12 straight matches एक रात में.
And Becky Lynch versus Charlotte versus Ronda Rousey was a
the
very
main-
good match.
Main event.
It was a really good match. And I think I understand 7 hours continuously can exhaust the audience, but man, it was still a good match.
Yeah.
Like, if I was not watching WWE at the time, but I went
The
back
whole
and I saw-
storyline in itself was good.
Yeah, I actually did watch the entirety of the thing, and it was still a good WrestleMania.
Kofi Mania.
Oh man, it was so good. It was so good.
Seth Rollins defeating Brock Lesnar.
That was one of my
We
favorites.
saw Triple H versus Batista.
Yeah, man, it was still such a good WrestleMania with that.
Yeah.
But it being 2 nights now makes sense. SummerSlam being makes sense, but holy shit. But the thing is, I feel they have made it everything 2 nights because they can justify the $30 price tag. And yeah,
Still, it doesn't make sense.
still it doesn't make sense for us. But let us know what you think as an international audience, or if you're an American sitting there and watching us. Thank you, Hindi sunne ke liye. But you know, do let us know, comment down below, and please like, share, and subscribe, and do let us know what you want from us. Bye bye.
Bye bye.